You have portrayed whole homes in one vehicle, sports cars, RVs, and amphibious vehicles. Every invention looks like a masterpiece, and your heart wants it at any cost. But what would be your reaction when you see a few pieces of wood and within a few minutes, it assembles into a house? Yes, it happens these days. They crafted wood into mind-blowing shapes and created homes that you can move to your favorite place. So, be ready to watch such gigantic, robust, but beautiful homes. 1. A-fold houses. These structures look like heavy wooden boxes or something like that. They are usually carried by a crane as they are heavyweight. At first glance, it looks like a piece of any cupboard's part. However, when it assembles, it turns out like a whole traditional house. Each detail of these houses is tailored to traditional ways. You can enjoy every facilitation like you enjoy in your normal houses. A-fold houses are modern construction systems, particularly for tourist utilization. On the other hand, you can live normally like in a traditional house as well. They are generally built of wooden materials. The goal of such buildings is to meet every need for space and design, and to cover you up being on a budget. Yes means to say these houses are budget-friendly, and by spending less, you can make your residence more luxurious and enjoy an opulent vibe. Yeah, they are adorable, and you can just be speechless at first glance at its setup. With the help of a crane, they brought the wooden structure to that specific point where they wanted the home to be assembled. The crane unfolds the structure according to the design, and within a few minutes, the whole map begins to clear to the vision. The crane carries and positions the wooden parts, fitting them together with the walls, because in the end, it has to be turned into a luxurious and opulent, traditional house. This looks so nice when you see how the crane is assembling your house, the way it reset the boxes into cupboards, walls, floors, and even doors. And you can make all the arrangements according to your desired look. Once it sets, I can bet you're gonna love this adorable house. People who build and live in such houses can decorate them with curtains, vases, and whatever they want. They can do that. 2. Tecla Houses. The Tecla House is a modular 3D printed, eco-friendly residential building, built of clay. This idea was unique when first heard in 2021 when an Italian architecture studio, Mario Cucinella Architects, MCA, presented a prototype of such a house. At that time, this first house was built with all natural objects, including mud, clay, water, and other such materials, all from local earth. Well, they used 2 synchronized 3D printers, got them to work without any colliding, and made sure to build a plain, seamless structure. Using the ground materials from the surroundings, the printers began to layer the structure by putting pieces onto pieces. In this way, the outer walls were prepared. But do you know it was fun to count on the layers as every 350 layers turned to a 5 inches thick wall? Yeah. So, as it is complete, the final fence boasts thermal insulation ventilation and gathers the water. See how eco-friendly a house is this? Every waste material is used to build such a house. Now the question arises, are such houses practical? Or these are just fairy tales? Well, you won't believe these houses are practical, and you can be in such houses and live a traditional, normal life without a doubt. You can manage everything there according to your desire or requirements. Additionally, the decor or cleaning the house is way easier if compared to other traditional houses. They are way easy to clean, manage, and keep organized, and on top of everything, they build in just 200 hours. So I guess such houses are more practical, more quick building to move in, and easy to live in. And yeah, I deserve such a house. Oh, don't laugh. 3. Wide path OMG. What my eyes are watching. I mean, first those RVs, and now these quick-build homes. Seriously? I am talking about the moving, twisted house that Wide Path introduced to us. At first, when I heard it, I thought it would be something like an RV. However, it twisted my mind when I found it connected with a bicycle. Yes, my reaction was also the same. This is a tiny, unique mobile home that you can associate with your vehicle. These tiny houses are incredibly robust, firm, and lightweight. Yes, contains only 99 lbs, and other measurements are also perfect for a solo trip, though you can set a little company with you. Because when you unfold the compact, the measurements are like 39x51 in motion. Despite their size, they will accommodate you with a fully functional home. With a perfect space, this house will be set within 3 minutes only. Can you believe that? However, you can make it more spacious by expanding the foldings, and here it can turn into 39x102 of space. It throws a cozy vibe and provides you with everything that your heart asks for at homes. You can enjoy a convertible table with seats, and a plug-in system is there for you to recharge the travel equipment. 11 cubic feet of bedroom is quite perfect with massive space. Oh man, don't forget the customization options. Don't worry about your evening tea and noodles. You can cook in the kitchen if you want to have one. Well, you do not need to worry about where you will get the power for Chagrin your cell phone or other accessories, as it offers the users a whole solar system that will assist your electrical tools and enhance your other options for self-sustaining living. This tiny but delicate camper is tested in wind conditions of 33 mph, and it incredibly stood tall. Sounds impressive, and I'm gonna get it. Oh, come back, dear, this is just a dream. Join us back here. Enjoy the video and play your role to get any of these homes, and hit the like button for your favorite home at the end of the video. 4. Grande S1. These houses give you vibes of a level of living and provoke you for adventures, as this mobile home is not just a trailer, but a whole package of a traditional home. However, this whole home folds in so quickly as a camper does. Furthermore, this robust home opens up in just 15 minutes as it works with the press of a few buttons. Overall, the trailer has 10 tons of weight, but when opens up and begins to turn into a house, it becomes a 370 ft capacious area that gives you the look of a city home. Well, let's have a look from the inside and see what it has. Okay, so guys, you can enjoy a lucid bedroom along with a large-sized bed, and don't worry about the shower and toilet options, because it has these amenities in it. Moreover, you would enjoy attached countertop cabinets, and cooktop with an oven, and a washroom with a vanity table. Seriously, these homes are making me crazier. You know it's hard to live in a home if you don't have cozy furniture, and this tiny, quick building has a sofa with opulent material. All the luxurious materials give you a vibe of comfort, and you just can't refuse such beauty to have an adventurous trip. Oh, how can solar panels slip from my mind? Yes, there is a solar system that is your constant assistant throughout the trip. 5. Geodome X. Although it's not a house still, believe me, when you keep this paradise in your grasp, you can enjoy every season and any place. Because you can set this dome wherever you want. The first glance at it will give you a vibe of delicate glass. Well, the dimensions of this dome are 9x6, and it can accommodate 12 people. However, this polycarbonate structure is 200 times stronger than the glass. Additionally, this material can protect you from snow, rain, and wind up to 100 km/h. It takes 4 hours only to assemble, including tools setting up, and it is as simple to keep clean as it is for a hose. To wipe it out is easy, and this thing adds a plus to its polycarbonate material. Oh, the price is also not so high. Yes, you can get this dome for sure only for $1,200, and the firmness of this material ensures longevity. In this way, it is good to spend on it. Can you believe such houses even exist? Well, There's much more to explore, such as houses that can be built within a few minutes or hours. If someday you would get the opportunity of getting any such house, which will be your preferred home? Share that one home with the reason why you would prefer that. Shout out for the reason in the comments section. Enjoy what you have and work hard for what you want to have. Good day.